So any new technology, any new business based on a new technology needs a product market fit analysis, right? So once we had the first MVPs ready, the minimum viable product ready, we actually went to the customers. We talked to people understanding what their problem statements were. We actually analyzed if this problem could be resolved in what way by our technology-based solution. So today we are present in 6 regions and growing across various customers.
We want to take data-based decisions. In order to do so, I need to be able to rely on the accuracy of data. That means streamlining, but also baselining across regions is really important, because in the end, it's always people who interpret. So having the same understanding for the same type of customer pipeline, for the same type of product, the way we do pricing, the way we execute, is a continuous effort. Because we still obviously keep onboarding people. And to have that same understanding is probably one of the biggest challenges that we need to live by. And yeah, it is a continuous process.
So we started off in 2021 within Grow. And we did the first major milestone of 1 million in 2022. We changed from a minimum viable product to scalable product, which could be easily repeated through modularity and scalability. And now we are growing much faster, beyond 3x limits year on year. So we are in a stage where we are moving from a startup to a scale up. The digital twin integrated asset performance management solution typically caters to enabling big industries for their heavy machinery, which are not easily manually monitorable because they're either working in a hazardous environment or typically in a not easily accessible area. Digital twin solutions enable a customer to completely manage or monitor their assets for failures, right? So it does not allow the failure to happen. Rather, we have a forecasting mechanism through simulation, what if scenario analysis, which tells them if in this current parameter, it runs for the next 7 months, 8 months, there's a likelihood of failures.
The solution that BDT is offering helps the customers to operate their plants in optimal cost mode and optimal efficiency mode. So what it means, customers now have the flexibility to converse with the machines. We make the machines speak, and we also make the machines think. Machines are a part of ecosystem. The way the organs of a body function, people can take decisions confidently, depending upon the insights the solution gives. And most important of all, when you are able to see the upcoming problems based on symptoms, you will be able to future-proof your business operations. With this evolution, we are strongly seeing that the customers are not adopting this as a software, but the customers are adopting this solution as an enterprise-grade AI application.
Initially, the global expansion was more based on equal investment in all regions. Now it is more on looking at where the cost-benefit analysis, right? Where you get more benefit if you invest more. So we are taking that approach today.
Grow platform provides flexibility, and it helps to translate your thinking. The environment at Grow platform acts as a catalyst to convert your concepts into reality at a faster scale.
So for me personally, the key is the team. So when I was onboarded, I took the time to get to know the people that I'm working with, because it's about trust and honesty. Only if we can be fully trusting and brutally honest with each other will we be able to scale. Otherwise, we will limit ourselves just by that.